Today we're looking at how to use carousels on Instagram to create more interest. So this is Lantern Arts, and as you can see, they are a sort of, home from home, holiday home based in England. And what I absolutely love is that they've used here a carousel to show not only the inside and the outside of their cabins, but also to kind of show, I guess, the kind of experience that you would get once you actually attend. And as you can see, it is opening soon. So this is more of a kind of, one to actually drive bookings and drive interest. So this is real people showing, the real people enjoying themselves. So it gives us a kind of feel on what you would be missing out on if you didn't book. It makes you much more likely to want to book or tag or share with friends because of the carousel, because it shows you a bit of everything here. And the opening soon caption definitely makes you much more interested, because you're like, oh, what's this? Makes you much more excited about it. They've put that it's in Sweffling in Suffolk, so they've put the location, and I think the little emojis just really adds to it. They've put the detail, like it sleeps 6, it's got 3 bedrooms, it's dog friendly, and they've put down all of the detail there. So they've put down, it's open from the 31st of March. It's explaining exactly where it is, that it's for glamping. And that it's complete with proper beds and fire pit and hot showers. If you're traveling in a group, you can book 7 tents. So it kind of gives you all the detail that you might need if you were wanting to book a kind of group glamping experience. And then it even gives you a sort of link to the bio. Visit our website to find out more, link in the bio. So it drives you to actually have a call to action. So all in all, it's just a really great post, but ultimately it starts with the carousel, because on Instagram it is about that show-stopping content, and that definitely makes you want to stop scrolling.